Hello Xiaomi fans, I am Champex Tutingales and I'm proud Xiaomi user and a fan. Join me to unbox, review, and camera test the latest mid-range phone of Xiaomi, the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G now brings the IMX766 sensor to a wider audience, which was exclusive to high-end phones only. This versatile and reliable camera sensor, paired with its 1.0 native large pixel size, captures more light and produces high-quality, brighter, and clearer pictures in any settings. The main camera boosts all-pixel autofocus, which enables quick and precise autofocus even in low light conditions. With faster image processing and focus capabilities, as well as OIS, the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G offers an impressive on-the-go photography experience, capturing every vivid moment with stunning clarity. In addition to its exceptional lens configuration, the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G features the Xiaomi Imaging Engine, which introduced powerful software capabilities to the device. This upgrade enables the phone to intelligently identify subjects and enhance image quality using computational photography, while simultaneously accelerating image processing. With Night Mode 2.0 and a fresh collection of film camera filters, you can create your own vibrant photographic creations on the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G and enjoy every social media upload to the fullest. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G delivers exceptional performance and long-lasting power, featuring a robust 5000 mAh battery that ensures extended usage without worry of running out of charge. Its large battery is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle, whether you're watching videos, browsing the internet, or gaming. Additionally, the phone offers cutting-edge 67-watt turbo charging, enables you to charge a full day's worth of power in just 15 minutes. Even if you forget to charge overnight, you can plug it when you wake up and it will be fully charged, ready for a day ahead. Say goodbye to battery anxiety for good.
3, 2, 1, go! Speed going on!
You are ready?
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go na, na. Ayun na. Okay na. Okay na. Okay na ta. Ah, dali ka. Bigas ka. Bigas ka, bigas ka, bigas. Bigas, bigas.
It's 2 o'clock.
Boy, manayaw na ta, manayaw na ta. Manayaw na ta, yung si Chinky. Manayaw na ta, yung si Chinky.
Say 3 words.
Ayun, di man disco. Sabi.
Don't stop believing, guys. Ian Oliver, Canyeso, congratulations. Prize all Sports. And you got Chambricks.
Yeah!
With the documentation there. Don't stop believing, guys.
Yeah!
Prize all Karui. Elevation Fitness. And on the way.
Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1080 processor, the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G delivers dependable, high-performance computing for tasks such as content creation, gaming, and 5G connectivity. The phone also features an ultra-clear Flow AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing incredible scrolling and gaming experience. The impressive display improves color performance and brightness and delivers over 1 billion colors with smooth gradation between shades, ensuring an immersive video viewing experience with stunning clarity and vibrancy. Dolby Vision support further enhances the visual experience. The Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G boasts a sleek, flat back with a premium feel that exudes sophistication, making it an ideal device for anyone seeking a stylish device that is both practical and visually appealing. Its universal appeal and minimalist design making it an excellent option for everyone. Experience the top-notch features and outstanding performance of the Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G, available in polar white, sky blue, and midnight black, and appreciate its beauty and practicality. Hello guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe. I love you all. Bye-bye.